Welcome class. The lesson which we are going to revise today is A Letter to God, class 10th. First of all, introduction of the lesson. The story A Letter to God revolves around the idea of having unquestionable belief in something. The story is set in a Latin American country. Lenko, the farmer, who is the main character of the story, writes a letter to God seeking help from the Almighty after discovering his entire crop field destroyed by a devastating hailstorm. Although his wishes get fulfilled partially, if not completely, he is ungrateful in the end and questions the honesty and modesty of the postmasters who actually helped him with money in the name of God. Now we'll see the summary of the lesson. The story depicts unwavering faith of a farmer in God. It begins with the farmer named Lenko, who was standing in his field and was looking at his crop of maize, and he had 4 sons. 2 of them were working in the field and 2 of them were in the house, and the wife was calling Lenko for dinner, and he was watching his crop and was expecting it to rain, and as per his expectations it started raining. So rain droplets, he thought them to be the coins being showered from the heaven, and he was expecting a rain to nourish his field of corn. He is confident that his harvest is going to yield him huge profit just like every year. To his utmost excitement, rainfall did happen, but sooner it turned into a hailstorm, destroying his entire crop field. The rain, which was good initially, it took the form of hailstorm and destroyed his entire crop field. The damage posed a threat to the family's survival as their entire livelihood was dependent on the year's produce. Now there was a big question in front of Lenko, that how is his family going to survive for the next year. Although disheartened, the family had robust belief in the Almighty. The family had a firm belief in Almighty, the God, that God will surely help them. Lenko, despite having worked day and night at the field, knew how to write and thus decided to write a letter to God. Lenko knew how to write. He was a farmer. Day and night he worked in his field, but he knew a little bit of writing as well. So he decides to write a letter to God. Why? Explaining his situation and asking for help. He went to town and bought some envelope and wrote a letter, and then after that he reached to the post office to post his letter, and when he was told to write the address, he wrote to God. When the postmaster noticed the letter, when they were segregating the letters according to the areas where they are to be sent, the postmaster noticed this thing, and when he saw the address, then he was amused, but he was motivated as well. Why motivated? Because he loved the way Lenko believed in God. That is why he decided to do something for the farmer so as to keep his immense belief intact in God. He wanted his belief, his faith to be maintained. He contributes from his salary and collects money from his colleagues and friends who willingly contributed for this cause as an act of charity. To his dismay, he could only collect 70 pesos. Lenko in the letter had requested God to send him 100 pesos, but the postmaster could only collect 70 pesos. He wrapped it in an envelope and as if it was sent by God, and even he signed also in the name of God, like from God. On having found the letter, the writer is not shocked at all. Right, the writer of the letter, Lenko, was not shocked because he had expected that the letter from God is surely going to arrive. But instead, He gets angry on finding that the amount is less than what he had expected. He had received only 70 and he had requested for 100. He again writes a letter to God conveying his disappointment and distress in the employees of the post office who he thought had stolen the remaining amount, and he is requesting God to send the money to him, but this time through other medium, not via post office, because he now was not trusting the officers at the post office.